Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will cooking how to make fried sweet potato. Before that, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Titin Darisari. You can call me Titin.
My name is Rendasari. You can call me Reni.
Next, we will introduce material.
First, any sweet potato.
Second, any sugar.
And any oil.
And then flour.
The last, water.
Next, the step. Prepare a bowl. Pour flour. Sugar. And water. Then stir until blended. Next, enter the sweet into the flour dough.
And then heat the cooking oil. If it is hot, fry it until cooked.
Fried until finished.